Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we will make this cute apple together, so let's start. So first, we need to make a double magic ring. Just like this. This is a normal magic ring, and then we yarn over 1 second like this, and then we put our hook in, yarn over here, we do 1 chain, and then put our hook into this hole, yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through the 2 loops on our hook, and then in here we can hold this little yarn, we yarn over, do 1 chain, and you can see this little hole here, we put our hook in, and yarn over here, yarn over 2 loops. So we can put a mark in this place. Then we need to make 11 double crochet for the first round, yarn over here, and then put our hook into the hole, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, then yarn over, go through 2 loops. So this is our second double crochet. We need to make 10 more. So after finish off the double crochet, in here we have 2 strings, this one and this one, and a little yarn. We now pull this little yarn to see which one is changing. Mine is this one. You can see this one is changing more, like being closer, this one, and then we hold this changing one, we drag it until the another string, this one, is closed. You can see this one is now closed. Now we can pull this little yarn. We just drag it to tighten it. Now we finish our first round. We just need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in, and then take out our mark. In the mark place, we do a slip stitch. We put our hook in, yarn over here, and then put our hook directly. We do 1 chain here, and in this stitch, in the stitch we make the slip stitch, we do a half double crochet, we yarn over here, and then put our hook in. We can put this little yarn on top of our hook, and yarn over here, yarn over, go through the 3 loops on our hook. This is our half double crochet. We put a mark here, and then we do a double crochet in the same stitch here. We yarn over here, put our hook in, and then yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. Now move to our next stitch. We need to do a half double crochet increase. We need to do a double crochet increase. We yarn over and then put our hook into the next stitch, and then yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, then 2 loops. Double crochet increase means in the same stitch we need to do 2 double crochet. So in the same stitch we need to do 1 more double crochet. So this will be a double crochet increase, and then we need to do 3 more double crochet increase in the following 3 stitches. So after the 4 double crochet increase. In the next stitch we need to do a slip stitch. We put our hook in and then yarn over, then pull our hook directly. In the following 4 stitches we do 4 double crochet increase. In each stitch we do 2 double crochet for the following 4 stitches. And then in the next stitch we do first a double crochet in here, yarn over, go through first 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. Then in the same stitch we do a half double crochet, yarn over here, in the same stitch in here, and then we need to change our yarn color. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, and then we press this yellow yarn and yarn over here, go through the 3 loops. And now we can see we have 1 stitch left, and this is our first stitch, the mark place, and then this one is the slip stitch from the last round. In here we need to do the slip stitch in the stitch from last round. Here, this one, and then we pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain here, and then we take out our mark. In the mark place we need to do a single crochet. We put our hook in, and then we can grab the yellow and the white yarn on top of our hook, just like this, and then yarn over here, yarn over, go through the 2 loops. Then we can put a mark here. Then for the next stitch we need to do a single crochet increase. Grab the little yarn here. In the same stitch we do 2 single crochet, and then we can cut the white yarn here. We need to do 2 single crochet increase. In the same stitch we do 2 single crochet. This is the first one, and we need to do 1 more single crochet increase in here, and then we need to do 6 single crochet. In each stitch we do 1 single crochet. So if you do it right, the next stitch is the slip stitch from the last round. In the slip stitch place we do a slip stitch. So after the slip stitch we need to do 6 single crochet. So if you do it right, we should have 4 white stitch, 1 2 3 4. And then in the following 3 stitches we do 3 single crochet increase. In each stitch we do 2 single crochet, and in the very last stitch we do 1 single crochet. After the 1 single crochet we put on our mark. In the mark place we do a slip stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. In here we do 1 chain and then cut the yarn. We can cut this white part directly, and then for the yellow part we need to use a needle to do something like this to hide the yarn. For the leaf part we need to do 8 chain. We do this, and this is the first chain, we do 8. Then in the second stitch from our hook, we do a slip stitch. We put our hook in, and then yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. And then in the next stitch, we do a single crochet here. And then in the following 3 stitches, we do half double crochet, we yarn over and then put our hook in, yarn over here, and yarn over, go through the 3 loops. This is the first one, we need to do 2 more. And then in the next stitch, we do a single crochet. Now we should left 1 stitch, it's this one. And in the last stitch here, we do a slip stitch first. Pull our hook directly, and we do 1 chain. And in the same stitch, we can see there should be a big hole here. We put our hook in, and then yarn over here, and then do a slip stitch again. Then we just crochet backward. So in here, we do 1 single crochet, and for the next 3 stitches, we do half double crochet, put our hook in, and then yarn over here, yarn over, go through the 3 loops. We need to do 1 more half double crochet, and then we do a single crochet. And then we leave maybe about this long. And in here we put our hook from back in here. Here, grab this yarn to the back. And then there is a line here. This side, then we put our hook, or we can grab a needle. So this should be our last stitch for this round. We put our needle from the top side here, and then grab this little yarn. Now we make a fake stitch, this one. And then this is our little leaf. For those 2 little parts, we can use the hot glue to glue them later. And then jump to this brown part. For this one, we just need to do 8 chain. And then do slip stitch backwards. And then in the second stitch from our hook, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook to do a slip stitch. For the following stitches, we do the same. After all the slip stitch, we do 1 chain here, and then cut the yarn. We just tie them twice here, and then use hot glue to glue them later. Be like this brown part is on the back, and then the green part in here. We should have something like this, and you also can make this little face by your own. So after gluing it, this is what I have. This is all about today's video. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comments below if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye.